I'm associate professor at University of Split. I'm at the moment head of department at the Visual Communication Design Department at the Arts Academy at University of Split. And my area of research and practice is connected with speculative design. It's a practice I'm practicing or teaching or working on education in last around 20 years. Our specific focus is how global technical, economical, political changes we reflect in our local area, which is mostly this southeastern part of Mediterranean or the Adriatic region. I'm sure that speculative design could be interesting and useful tool for any kind of practice in design. Of course, also for communication design. So that's the reason why we are running this course, because I think it's gonna bring to the students or to participants new kind, a new perspective, and one specific tool which could be used in a designer toolbox in their everyday practice, even research or professional practice. The idea of this workshop it came with this critique of the speculative or future thinking, which is most of the time dystopian or dystopic. So I wanted to bring a different kind of approach, starting from the bottom up, looking at the present, looking at the community of resilience or community of resilience and action, which are kind of approach which is building resilience. And maybe there is a lots of, not maybe, but I'm sure that there is a lots of things and ideas and methods and tools and approaches we can learn from bottom-up community, from vernacular design, from the people dealing and struggling with the future on everyday basis. In the beginning, we started with the speculation. We started with how they will see or how they see their place where are coming from or place they choose in next 50 years, starting with this idea or starting with these preconceptions of climate changes. And then in the second part of workshop, they have a task to look around, to look in their area, to look for these communities of resilience and activities, and to map them and trying to see how in possible participative way, in collaboration with this community, they can bring or they can think about different future, different than dystopian future we see all around us.